Boy, is this a super big box, Mrs. Guppy. Look at all the things it says. It says Pufuknik there, and San Francisco, and Reno,
Seattle?
and Denver, and it says Raleigh. I wonder what it could be.
I don't know. I hear a noise. Do you hear something inside?
There's somebody snoring inside. Do you think it could be?
I don't know. Let's take this. Let's open this box and find out.
Oh, I wonder what it could be. Oh, gently, gently, gently. Wow, look at that. My, Mrs. Guppy.
It's a person.
He's asleep.
What?
You know,
Should we wake him up?
I think it's Bernard.
It looks like Bernard.
What?
Should we wake him up and find out?
What?
Hi, Bernard.
Guppy!
Hi,
Hey,
yeah.
Guppy, how you doing?
Hey, welcome
Wait
to
a minute.
Raleigh. We didn't expect you till Monday, did we?
Wait. You're right. I'm
That's
not supposed to be here, man. I thought I was going to be in Asheboro visiting the zoo or something.
That's right. And
Mrs. Guppy, hey, how you doing? How you doing?
Bernard.
Boy,
Nice
it's good to
meet
see you guys.
I've heard so much about you.
Well, yeah. Well, gee, you know, this is a real surprise. I thought we were going to land someplace else out west there, go see the mountains for the weekend or something like that. You know what I mean?
Yeah, and gosh, Barney, you got the whole weekend now to unpack and get ready and all that, because, you know, Monday's show, you get to have all the fun with us on the show, right?
That's right.
Uh-huh.
Indeed. Whoa, look at all my friends out there.
That's right, and he's there, they're there. And you know what, Barney, you picked a good day to arrive at Sunshine, because it was raining so hard. We had a storm here called Dennis a couple of days, and it was something.
Yeah, I heard about it.
But well, you got to find a place to get settled in and all that, don't you, Barney?
Well, listen. My cousin, he loaned me his apartment. I'm going to stay there for a while.
Oh, your
and
cousin
then I'm going to
left
look
you-
for some place to live. Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna look for a place.
Yeah.
Okay, well, super, boy. We got all of your letters, didn't we? We read all the letters.
Oh,
we had all
great.
kinds of fun.
Yeah.
And we even had you for the scramble day. We thought that you were gonna be in Raleigh on Monday. We did. This is such a great surprise.
Yeah.
It's
Well, I fooled you,
super.
didn't I?
That's right. And we're gonna have fun. And you're gonna be so busy unpacking all this weekend and having good and getting ready for a Monday show, right?
Yeah.
Because you're gonna be here in person on
That's
Monday.
right. I start on Monday.
Oh,
Woo,
wow.
woo.
That's
Yeah,
just
all
great.
right. That sounds good.
And you're going to play some games and do some jokes and have artwork and all that, Barney?
Yeah, we get to play TV
Oh,
Pound, don't we? That's
I'm
right.
so excited to have
All
you
right,
here.
yeah, me too.
Yeah, well, listen, we'll see you on Monday, and we'll see you on Monday at 3 o'clock with our friend Barney on Barney's Army.
We'll return to Barney's Army after these messages.